So in this video, you're going to learn how to enable app protection or device protection on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to go ahead and open the Settings app. And then once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and then select the option Device Care. Once you're in Device Care, you're then going to tap on App Protection, and then you're just going to select the button Turn On to enable this feature. Once it's been enabled, you'll then need to scan your tablet. So go ahead and tap on Scan Tablet, and now it will start scanning for any malware and viruses while going through each app you currently have installed on your tablet. So just wait patiently as it goes through each individual app. Once it finishes scanning, it will then give you the results of the scan, whether there's threats that have been found or that you have no threats found. And so that's how you can enable the app protection or device protection on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.